Now, let's explore one of the most powerful features in GRIPIT, self-concept. Here's a question. How well do you really know yourself? Not who you think you should be, not who others expect you to be, but who you actually are right now. Self-concept is your tool for radical self-awareness. It helps you understand your identity, talents, skills, and what you want to develop. This isn't about judging yourself. It's about knowing yourself deeply so you can make better decisions. Let me show you how it works. Click on Self-Concept in the main navigation first. Let's create a self-concept card. These are positive self-identifications, who you are at your core. Click Add Self-Concept. I'll create one. I am a continuous learner. Now I can add specific actions that prove this identity. I read at least one book per month. I take online courses regularly. I ask questions when I don't understand something. These aren't goals. They're affirmations of who you already are, backed by concrete behaviors. Let me add another one. I value deep relationships. Actions. I have meaningful conversations with friends weekly. I remember important dates and check in on people. I prioritize quality time over social media scrolling. See how this builds a clear picture of your identity? Now, let's look at my talents. If you've taken the Clifton Strengths Assessment, you can add your natural talents here. Click Add Talent. I'll add Learner with the description. I have a great desire to learn and want to continuously improve. This comes from my Clifton Strengths profile. Another one, strategic thinking. I naturally see patterns and create alternative ways to proceed. Your talents are your natural advantages. Use them intentionally. Next section, skills and competencies. This is split into two parts, what you're already good at and what you want to develop. Click Add Skill under What I'm Good At. I'll add SEO and digital marketing. Now I can rate my proficiency. Let's say 7 out of 10. I can also add context. 12 years of professional experience. Now, under Development Directions, click Add Skill. I'll add Public Speaking. Set the priority level. I'll choose Medium because it's important but not urgent. Add context. Want to feel confident presenting to large groups. This creates a clear roadmap. Leverage your strengths while deliberately building new capabilities. Now, let's add a mission statement. We can do this in Settings, then Profile. I'll write, to continuously learn, build meaningful projects, and help others grow while maintaining balance and well-being. Let's save our profile and go back to the Self-Concept section. You can see your mission statement displayed here, and it helps you shape your actions in the direction you've chosen. Finally, you've already seen the values hierarchy, your personal values ranked by importance. You can see mine here: self-improvement, relationships, health, family, wisdom, and authenticity. Everything connects. Your values guide what matters. Your mission defines your purpose. Your self-concept cards affirm your identity. Your talents show your natural gifts, and your skills show what you've built and what you're building. The philosophy behind GRIPIT is simple. Self-awareness precedes growth. You can't improve what you don't understand. Self-concept gives you clarity, and clarity enables intentional change. Come back to this section regularly. Add new self-concepts as you grow. Update your skills as you learn. Revise your mission as your purpose evolves. This is a living document of who you are. And that's self-concept. You now have a complete picture of yourself. Not who you wish you were, but who you actually are and who you're becoming. In the next video, we'll explore more features. See you there.